Hi, my money kings and queens, Olivia Hart here, and today we're going to storm the market. So forget about boring strategies. Today we're going to work fast, effectively, and aim for maximum profit. Two indicators, moving average and Schaff Trend Cycle are our secret weapons. So let's go. But before we start, let me remind you about my Telegram channel where you will find lots of information that I created myself for beginners, and check it out while waiting for other videos. Okay, the platform is pocket options. Set the chart type to candles, time frame to 30 seconds, and trace to 2 minutes. So moving average, period 20, AMA, line color red, and Schaff Trend Cycle 20, 38, 7, 2, 2, main line white, and levels 25 and 75 red. Okay, these two indicators are a perfect duo for precise entries. Let's find our first trade. Oh, here is it. Okay, opening a downward trade, a solid confirmation from the Schaff Trend Cycle. Let's break down why this is a strong signal for a short position. The price on the chart is trending downward. The Schaff Trend Cycle confirms this as the line moves below the lower zone. The price also crossed the moving average from below. This is our signal, and it's not just a signal, it's a comment. I expect the downward move to straighten over the next 3-4 candles. Guys, what a beauty! This signal is 100% on point. And drum roll. Yes, first profit secured, $460 in the bag. So let's move on. GBP and AUD is our next pair, and I'm immediately opening a downward trade. We see a strong downward trade, and the price crossed the moving average from above some time ago, but the Schaff trade cycle is just now giving confirmation, so we confidently enter the trade. Perfect, just $445 added to the account, and the signal worked just flawlessly. So see how the indicators complement each other. Let's keep going. Okay, next is AUD CHF, and entering a downward trade right away. What do we see here? A clear price decline and a cross of the moving average from above, signaling further price drops, but the key confirmation comes from the Schaff Trend Cycle. But I believe the price will confidently reach this level where our trade will close, so let's watch. Yes, another $385 secured, and all going according to the plan. Let's analyze one more example with an OTC pair before breaking up. Unfortunately, one of my trades wasn't recorded, but the profit is what matters. So here is it. You can see the outcome on the screen, and another $460 already in my account. So to make it up to you, now I will open another trade and we will break it down together. Here's our next target, opening an upward trade on AUD CAD OTC. The principle is the same as with exchange pairs. So we see a strong upward movement confirmed by the Schaff Trend Cycle, and the price should continue rising for the next 2 minutes. So let's just see how it plays out. Just look at these results, another solid 460 in profit, and that's just absolutely confident execution. And there you have it, my dear traders, 4 trades and 4 wins, and I won't count unrecorded trends so no one accuses me of being dishonest. By the way, this strategy works when you follow the rules, moving average, identify the trend, and Schaff Trend Cycle confirms it. And $1,750 confirms that a calculated approach is a key in the trading. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Links to the platform and my Telegram channel are in the description. So see you in the next video, and remember, trade smart and fortune will be always on your side.